This video is my first video in 2023. Shows how beautiful the beach is, natural, pleasing to the eye and very popular. On a beach located in Padang City, West Sumatra. Welcome to the beautiful beach that is Caroline. Caroline Beach has its own charisma, which still has blue water. Like the roar of the waves that always greet the beach. And having towering pine trees makes the Carolina coast a must-visit vacation spot. Carolina Beach also has many spots to take pictures and make videos. And also has a wide green grass view to enjoy the sunset. What a beautiful view on the coast of Carolina, West Sumatra.